एवरीवन। कल हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5 किए थे। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। एक्सरसाइज 3.2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, सिंप्लीफाई cos थीटा इंटू cos थीटा sin थीटा माइनस sin थीटा cos थीटा प्लस sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा sin theta. We have to simplify this question. Now multiply this cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta. This is cos theta sin theta, cos square theta. Next one is sin theta sin square theta minus cos theta sin theta cos theta and sin square theta. Now we have to add both the matrix. It's cos square theta plus sin square theta. This one is cos theta sin theta plus minus cos theta sin theta. This, now add this one, it's minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, and this one is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is the identity, that is 1. Cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, that is 0. This one is 0 and this is also equal to 1. So this is our answer. Now come at the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, find x and y if x plus y is equal to 7, 2, 0, 5 and x minus y that is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. Now these are two equations. So I am going to solve this by elimination method. By adding both this one is cancelled. X plus x, 2x is equal to 7, 2, 0, 5 plus 3, 0, 0, 3. Now add this is equal to 7, 3, 10, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 5 plus 3, 8. Now 2 is multiply, so on the right side it will be divide, so x is equal to 1 upon 2, 10, 0, 2, 8. Now multiply half with this, that is equal to 5, 0, 1, 4. So this is the value of x. Now put this value of x in any of equation, either this or this. Suppose I am going to put this value in equation number 1. Now our x is 5, 1, 0, 4. 5, 1, 0, 4. Plus y is equal to 7, 2, 0, 5. Now this is plus here on the left side, so on right side it will be minus. So y is equal to 7, 2, 0, 5 minus 5, 1, 0, 4. Now subtract these two matrix, that is equal to 7 minus 5, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. So this is the value of y. So in this way we can find the value of x and y if two equations are given. So the next part you can do yourself, that is your homework. Try the second part. Now I am coming on question number 8. Find x if y is equal to 3, 1, 2, 4 and 2x plus y that is equal to 1 minus 3, 0 and 2. Now value of y is given, so put this value in this equation. So y is plus here, on the right side it will be minus, so 2x is equal to 1 minus 3, 0, 2 minus y. So 2x is equal to 1 minus 3, 0, 2 minus y. Y is 3, 2, 1, 4. So subtract this, we will get 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. So 2 is multiplied on the left side, so right on the right side it will divide. So x is equal to half of minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now multiply this with each element, so we will get that is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So this is our answer. Now next question, question number 9. Find x and y if this plus this is equal to this. So do yourself this question. Okay, I'm going to explain it. Question number 9. 2, 1, 0, 3 x plus y 1, 0, 2 is equal to 5, 1, 6, 8. Now solve this question. First we have to multiply 2 with this. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0, 0, 2 into x, 2x plus y 1, 0, 2 is equal to 5, 1, 6, 8. Now add these two matrices. So it's 2 plus y, it's 6 plus 0, it's 0 plus 1, it's 2x plus 2. So this is equal to 5, 1, 6, 8. Now if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal. So compare the values. 2 plus y is equal to 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 is equal to 6. पर हमें जरूरत नहीं है. Now 0 plus 1, 1 equal to 1. That is also right. So take this one. This one is 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So solve these two equations. So y is equal to 5 minus 2. Then y is equal to 3. And from this equation, 2x is equal to 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. Then 2x is equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So in this way, we can get the value of x and y. Now question number 10, solve the equation for x, y, z and t. So you can do yourself this question. Question number 11 now. Question number 11 is x 2, 3 plus y minus 1, 1 is equal to 10 and 5. So first multiply this. So 2 into x, 2x, 3 into x, 3x plus y into minus 1, minus y, y into 1, that is y, that is equal to 10 and 5. Now add the matrix that is on the left side. So it's 2x plus minus y and is 3x plus y. This is equal to 10 and 5. Now compare the element, corresponding element. So we will get 2x minus y is equal to 10 and 3x plus y, that is equal to 5. Now we have to solve these two equations by any method. So I am going to solve this by elimination method. This one is cancelled. 3 plus 2 is 5x, that is equal to 10 plus 5, 15. 5 3s are, so x is equal to 3. Now put this value in this equation. So 2x minus y is equal to 10. Then 2 into x is 3. Minus y is equal to 10. 2 3s are 6 minus y, that is equal to 10. Then minus y is equal to 10 minus 6. minus y is equal to 4, then y is equal to minus 4. So we can find the value of x and y. Now come at question number 12. In question number 12, we have to find x, y, z and w. And question is 3x, y, z, w, that is equal to x minus 1, 6, 2w plus 4 z plus w, x plus y and 3. Now first add these two matrices and multiply this. So this is equal to 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w. That is equal to x plus 4. This one is 6 plus x plus y. So it's x plus y plus 6. Now add this to 1. So it's z plus w minus 1. And add this one. So it's 2w plus 3. Now compare the elements. So it's 3x equal to x plus y. First equation. Now second equation is 3y is equal to x plus y plus 6. Third one is 3z equal to z plus w minus 1. And the last one is, fourth one is 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. So we have to solve all these four equations. So from this equation, 3w, 2w is plus on the right side, left side minus, that is equal to 3. 3w minus 2w, that is w is equal to 3. Our first answer. Now I am taking these two equations. I am taking first this one equation. So the equation is 3z equal to z plus w minus 1. Now z and 3z. 3z minus z plus w minus 1. Sorry, equal to w minus 1. 3z minus z, 2z equal to w minus 1. Now we can put the value of w, that is 3. It means 2z equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 cancel, it means z is equal to 1. So we got the value of z and we got the value of w. Now from these two equations we have to we can find the value of x and y. Now first equation is this, 3x equal to x plus y. It means this one is minus on the left side, so 2x is equal to y. Now from this equation, 3y is equal to x plus y plus 6. Now this is minus on the left side, so it's 2y is equal to x plus 6. Now put the value of y. Y is equal to 2x. So 2 into 2x is equal to x plus 6. 2 to the 4x is equal to x plus 6. This is minus. So it's 3x is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 upon 3, that is equal to 2. So we got the value of x. X is equal to 2. Now put this value in this equation. So 2 into 2 is equal to y. Then y is equal to 4. So in this way we can find the value of x, y, z and w. Now come at the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is, if fx is equal to cos x minus sin x, 0, sin x, cos x, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then we have to show f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. So we have to solve both the sides, left hand and right hand side. and we have to check our answer. Now right side is f of x plus y, that is equal to, it means we have to put x plus y in place of x. So our matrix is cos x plus y minus sin x plus y, 0 sin x plus y, it's our right hand side. So cos x plus y, 0, 0, 0 and 1. This is our right side. Now I am going to solve the left side. So fx dot fy, it means cos x minus sin x, 0 sin x cos x, 0, 0, 0, 1 dot cos x, sorry y, we have to take fy, so it means cos y minus sin y, 0 sin y cos y, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to multiply these two matrices. So first row, first column, cos x cos y plus minus sin x sin y plus 0 into 0, 0. Now first row, second column, cos x sin y. So cos x minus sin y plus minus sin x cos y minus sin x cos y, 0 into 0, that is 0. Now second row, first column, it's sin x cos y, then cos x sin y plus cos x sin y. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. First row, cos 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Second row, first column, sin x cos, cos sin. Now this one into this, so this one is sin x minus sin y, cos x plus में cos y, 0 into 0, 0. Now last one is third row, first column, 0 into this, 0 plus 0 into this, 0 plus 1 into this, 0. Now third row, second column, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now third one is this, so 0 plus 0 plus 1. After solving this, we can get our right hand side, because this is the formula of cos x plus y, this is the formula of minus sin x plus y, then this is sin x plus y. So I am going to write it here. So it's cos x plus y, this is the formula of cos x plus y, this is the formula of minus sin x plus y, and this one is the 0. This one is the formula for sin x plus y, this one is the formula for cos x plus y, this is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, this one is 0, 0, 1. So this is our left hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 14, that is the question of show that this into this is equal to, is not equal to this into this. You can do this question yourself, because it's the simple question of multiplication. So question number 6 to 15, today you have 6 to 14, sorry. Today you have to do question number 6 to 14. This is your homework. Thank you.